Alright, yeah, that's smart. And there's fire right there. This is all smart.
That's real good right behind you there, be careful.
That's a great picture.
Yeah, with a little fire.
The torch, dude.
That some dumb son of a bitch has to stand here.
Oh, twist them.
Are these black cats?
No.
Oh, okay. They're off-brand, aren't they?
I don't remember.
Yeah, they're not black. They're this cheap Chinese stuff.
Red cat.
Red cheap Chinese crap.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna back up.
Yeah.
I'm running. You're gonna light it. Drop it. Like that.
Nice.
Cool, man.
That was cool.
That was cool.
15 seconds of
The crowd control smoke.
Don't you want to do it out there?
I'd say put that under Sharon's chair.
Yeah, I was thinking that too. Right?
He's holding it?
It's smoke.
Fire in the hole!
Yeah, it's right.
Fire in the hole!
I guess get rid of the mosquitoes.
I want to be able to
It's a
Wow, look, the smoke bomb. It smells good.
Is this the crap?
This is the crap.
What's that stand for?
Why would you want to
This is the collapsible
a platform this time?
rotating artillery platform.
Also known as crap.
All right. Oh wait. Oh, we did have. No, what the fuck?
What is this again? Crap?
Crap. Collapsible something.
I was gonna say crappy portable artillery or crappy rotating artillery platform.
Something like that. Yeah, that's it.
Rocket class. We were doing that a couple of months, now they.
Jay passing on to the our youth the importance of a stable launching platform.
Yeah, the launching platform though is kind of low to the ground.
Huh?
And say,
Weather balloons.
Yeah.
Hey, baby cakes, you need help with that?
Camera to it.
Good.
And he took pictures from space and had a GPS system in it.
Because I'm not helping you, is that what that means?
The mortar tubes.
The Blue Man Group.
Gotta have the mortar
They
tubes.
send up these satellites. And
Smoke at once.
does that look familiar?
That's for the smoke.
That's the exhaust pipe.
Yeah, that's the exhaust pipe.
Well, I was actually telling Maria, usually
down, Jay.
every year for fireworks, I'd literally be right at the control.
Aww.
Happy 4.
I
have a lighter.
Oh, you sure are.
He said light, I went bang!
Watch out for the.
Fire's coming out. Fire in the hole.
It's like only my thumb can, this thumb can do it.
Come on. Alright. Flame? Alright.
Flamers.
Gotta try to use it.
Alright, here we go.
Mine's gonna go on retarded. Just trying to draw attention here. Damn it, you assholes!
Why?
Jay!
Watch your hand, Jay. Is that mine?
You can get your lighter.
Yeah. Get your lighter ready.
Because you don't have to light that. That just stays lit.
Good point, Bri. Thank you. That's true. Just get your shit ready.
I'm looking in this big window and
Greg.
What?
Pick her up for her.
Jeez.
Smell. Oh yeah, salt. I know you like waits and I love
Well, that's good.
oh, sweet.
Wow, that one was.
Oh, now that's
Wait.
sweet. Step back.
There we go.
90 shot mooncake.
9-shot mooncake.
The Shogun mooncake.
Woo! Oh shit. That thing's going up. Woo! Nice.
You're right, you do put it side down.
Yeah.
Because everything you'd be shooting at the house.
Yeah. Whoops.
Wrong.
For next year.
Okay.
Fuck, that's
Right. We got one more now.
The alpha male in the backyard.
The alpha male of the group decides to go out and light the fireworks.
We're at competition.
Stop kissing
Run
each
away! Oh, this is just a fountain.
That doesn't look like a rhino. I feel cheated.
Yeah, it's a big ground effect. Yeah!
Yeah. Happy 4th of July, everyone.
Oh!